In last video we discussed about field parameter. In this video we will look at numerical parameters. So we have taken sample data from Power BI. The table name is financials. So let's start with the numerical parameter now. First we will take a chart, yeah, and we will take date as on X column. We'll just keep year, and we'll add sum of sales on Y parameter. Now, as you can see, we have two datas here for 2014 sum of sales and 2013 sum of sales. Now, what we want to provide user input for the percentage, and we should find out the percentage of this sum basically. Okay, so for that, this is the requirement. So for that, we will go to a modeling tab and we'll click on new parameters, and this time we'll take numerical range, and we'll just click on create button here. You can provide a parameter name if you want. I'm not providing to reduce the length of video. So here you can see the parameter which shows 0 to 20. Let's change that because we want input to be given in percentage. So we'll click down here on parameter, click here on parameter. Now here you can see generate series from 0 to 20. So starting would be the 0 and end would be the 1 because we want that in percentage, and step would be the 0.01. Okay. And then we will click on percentage button. So now you can see here we have percentage 0 from 0 till 99. So the 100 is missing. For that purpose we will give say 1.01. This should suffice our issue. See, now we have 100%. So we have input from 0 to 100%. Now we need to create a measure. So we'll go and create new measure, and we'll write down sales percent equals to, now we'll have sum of sales into a parameter. So we will take parameter value. Now here we haven't clicked on percent or into 100 because here we are getting the parameter, but as an input we are getting 0.01 or 0.02. So that suffices our issue. So now if I drag this sales into the chart, let's create a border first so we'll have idea. Let's create a border to this, and to our slicer also we'll create a border. And now we'll put our recently created measure in here. Now see, if and we'll put the data labels on, so we'll have idea. Can you see this is 92 million, this is also 92 million because the parameter is on 100%. Now if I go to 1%, see this is gone down to 1 million. And if I take the values, sum of sales and value, display units none, and decimal points also I want 0, and the second one is percent sales, value, display units none, and decimal percent is 0. Okay, so this is the correct number of 1%, and if I pull down this to 100%, this will be the again correct value. So this is how we can go ahead and create a numerical input for any user. So this is all about numerical parameters. So for field parameters, I'll put down a link in description. So in previous video, we learned about field numericals. In this video, we have learned about numerical parameters. Thank So do share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much, friends.